Manisha Gupta, and you've joined us live here on Moneycontrol. And I'm going to be talking about the metal prices today, which seem to be doing well. The underlying commodities and the related equity markets as well, where metals as a sector is trading in the positive. The strength comes in as the US dollar index continues to trade below, weaker at around 7 week lows. That is supportive for the dollar denominated commodity. And apart from that, there are reports of open interest falling and short covering happening. So clearly, the mood seems to be changing in this sector there. Also, the investors are looking at higher demand expectations coming in from China, where we have seen the economic data on the positive side. Last week, it was about the Chinese industrial data, manufacturing numbers in the month of Feb that came in much stronger than what the street was anticipating at a multi-year highs. And today, we are reacting to the China industrial production, which is up 2.4% for the month of Feb, Jan and Feb rather, for an year-on-year basis. That is on the positive side. And the China retail sales also is 3.5% higher for the first 2 months of this year on a year-on-year basis. So we are looking at stronger numbers coming in from China, and then there are reports that China could be looking at stimulus measures, mandatory ones that too, especially in case of infrastructure, construction, and consumption, and that in turn would also be supportive. We also are looking at off-taking in sense of stocks for many of these industrial commodities, as the next quarter, March to June actually, is the peak demand season, and you will see a lot of demand, construction, infrastructure wise, also supporting the demand here. What the street now is watching out for is the US inflation and the retail sales data that comes in the evening today, and that is where the markets will take direction from. But at this point, with the kind of cues or fundamentals that we have in copper, zinc, especially, are the couple of metals which are doing well in non-ferrous, and within ferrous, steel and iron ore continue to flourish as well.